as 3 days of violent protests come to an end. Several protesters have been taken by the Defence Force for quarantine. This calls into question whether it's safe for the Olympic Games in Sydney, which starts on Friday night at 7 p.m. The Australian Olympic Committee said the Games will continue as planned. The Chief of the Defence Force, Admiral Chris Barry, and Prime Minister Howard have both stated that this is an isolated incident, and there is no need to panic. There's currently no risk for infection. In other news tonight, WWE wrestler Stone Cold Steve Austin married Deborah Marshall in Las Vegas.